Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back to the Camping Family channel. Thought I would do a quick unboxing video on this portable power station, power supply. I've been in the market for one for about 2 years now, and I think the prices have finally gotten to the point where it was hard to say no to something. So we're coming up on summertime here, and the family is going to our cottage, which is off-grid, no power, it's on an island, and these should help supply power for what we need, which is basically to charge cell phones and something to plug in a laptop every once in a while. So this is the one I came across. This is the, what's the name of this? This is the Enginstar R300. I believe there's another model, the R350, that is also out that's very close to this. But this is the R300. As of the time of this video, the list price on Amazon was $209. It did have a $50 off coupon, which brought this down to about $160. So at that price point for a 300 watt, it was almost to the point where I couldn't turn it down. So what does it have? Some quick features. USB, multiple USB ports. It is pure sine and not modified. It is pure sine. Has over temperature protection, efficient output, over current protection, over voltage protection. On this side, vehicular power consumption. I'm not sure we could power a car off of it though. Camera charging, electricity for small household appliances, night lighting, mobile charge, solar energy charging. So again, this is the Enginstar R300, made in China. Alright, let's go and see what's in the box. I have not had this out yet, so let's see what's in here. Everything's still wrapped up. And here's the unit itself. Nice compact unit. "12-volt, 8-amp out." This is your DC outputs. Here's your input. 2 5-volt, 3.1-amp USB charging ports, and one 18-volt Type C port. Here are your two AC adapter ports, or AC outlets, 300 watts, pure sine. Nothing on the back. Oh, there's a light back here. How do you like that? Okay. So there is a light on the back, also used as a emergency light. Very nice. Let's power it on and see what the display says. So we are about at half charge. Nothing else. 0 watts. Obviously nothing's plugged in. Alright, so there we go. Let's see what accessories came in the box. We'll set this aside. Came with one accessory box. Inside the box we have a user manual. Cigarette lighter, charging cable. AC dongle. And here's the other part of the dongle. This is your power brick. So 2 ways to charge that are included. There is no solar charging cable. Nope. So I will be making a solar charging cable. Good to know. Alright, so this is it from Enginstar. What's in the box? Alright. If anyone has any questions on the Enginstar, leave a comment below. I'll do a product review after use. Maybe I'll do that from the island. Sounds good. Thanks for stopping by. Everybody have a great day.